Hello, my name is Pierre Webb and I'm a teacher at the Institute of Applied Technology. I teach grade 9 and 10 in physical education. Since I've come to IAT, I've incorporated technology in all of my lessons because it's so easy to use. All the students have iPads and it can measure simple tasks just using the stopwatch for the 35-metre sprint test to more complex tasks of recording students' performances. Students can record themselves performing the skill and then look back at it and gain instant feedback and see exactly where they've gone wrong. Normally what we do in lesson is pair students up or put them in small groups so they can all peer assess each other's work to try and improve their performance. Furthermore, students are given a project for each term and each skill or sport we cover. At the start of a term, they'll record a few skills that we're going to look at over the course of the term. At the end of the term, they will then record these same skills and then put into an iMovie to compare their before and after results. Since we've introduced technology into our lessons, I've noticed a remarkable improvement in students' engagement, motivation, and attainment in lessons. One app that we found particularly useful is called Kahoot. It's acted as a great assessment tool within lessons. The way I've used it is at the end of a term or a scheme of work, I've used the quiz aspect of Kahoot to test all the students' knowledge in a classroom environment. The great thing about Kahoot is that it challenges students in a fun and competitive way. After each question, it lets students know how many points they've accumulated and where they stand in the leaders board in relation to other pupils within the class. Additionally, before the answers are provided on Kahoot, it allows for critical thinking time where the students can compose themselves before giving an answer. And I found that this allows students to have a better chance of coming out with the correct answer instead of rushing and coming up with the incorrect answer when they knew the answer all along. Another good thing about this app is that it allows, after every question, it lets the class and the teacher know what percentage of the pupils responded to each answer. And with this, the teacher can then provide instant feedback into what is the correct answer and why the other responses were the incorrect answer.